Hello and welcome to IP with Shuchi. Imagine what you would do in today's day and age without the light bulb, the telephone, the computer, the internal combustion engine, Rubik's Cube, the smartphone, Bluetooth, Velcro, and zippers. These are all patented inventions. So, what is a patent? A patent is an exclusive right to an inventor to commercially exploit his invention. What does this mean? Well, an inventor could come up with an invention, say a product, for example, the iPhone, or a process. As an example, you could take Netflix's computer implemented system of renting out movies and TV shows to its customers. Or it could also be a new and significantly improved way of doing something. Remember, I said it is an exclusive right. What does that mean? That means that in principle, the inventor has the right to stop or prevent others from using his invention commercially. Now suppose you are an inventor and you come up with an invention and you apply for and get a patent for it. Does that mean you can stop people across the world from using it? Nope. Patents are territorial in nature. That means usually patents are applicable only in the region or the country in which they have been granted. Now, what is the idea behind getting something patented? The idea is to allow the inventor to make money off his invention. But also understand, this kind of knowledge ought to be in the public domain. It cannot be insulated forever. What does that mean? That means that generally a patent is valid only for 20 years from the first date on which it is filed for. A patent is often how an idea becomes a company. You want examples? Well, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, IBM, Netflix, all of these massive companies are generally built around the patents that they hold. So this is a shout out to all those entrepreneurs out there. Watch out for your chance to patent your product or process. This is IP with Shuchi signing off for today. If you have ideas on what I should speak about the next time, do let me know in my comments.